Schedule a test drive while you can. This Carfax Certified one-owner 2014 Ford F-150 with only 96,000 miles just hit the lot and will not last long. The four-wheel drive capability of the F-150 ensures superior off-road performance and enhanced traction in challenging conditions. Whether you're navigating through rough terrains or facing adverse weather, the four-wheel drive system provides the confidence and control you need to tackle any situation. Here at Elite Motor Sales, we believe that Ford has a long-standing reputation for producing durable and dependable trucks. The F-150 is known for its robust construction and capability, making it a popular choice among truck enthusiasts and professionals alike. The addition of a leveling kit and black rims to the F-150 enhances its appearance and individuality. The leveling kit gives the truck a more aggressive stance, while the black rims provide a sleek and stylish aesthetic. This customization sets the vehicle apart and gives it a unique and eye-catching appeal. I encourage you to visit our dealership to see this beautiful pickup truck up close and take it for a test drive. This will allow you to experience its power, handling, and custom features firsthand. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this exceptional 2014 Ford F-150. Act now to secure a reliable and customized truck that combines functionality, style, and value.